Hi, good evening, everyone. You all are welcome in this class, and I hope that you all are very well. Now, we will discuss about triangle. In this videos, we'll study about triangles. What is triangle, and we will discuss each and everything related of triangle. So, it's triangle, the triangle and its property. I will study the triangles and its properties. its properties parties. So in this you will study about triangle triangles. So what is triangle? I say that, and I see that which is which is bonded with three line segment is called triangle. If you say that these three triangles these three triangles with a rounded figure with a three line segment is called a triangle. If you cut this, then it will be form of triangle, because in triangle it is three line segment, and with three line segment one figure is made, that is closed figure is made, that is called triangle. And in triangle we'll study what its angle, side, and property of triangle. First, I know that triangle is divided on the basis of angle and on the basis based on side. On the base of side, triangle is divided based on the sides. Based on the sides, triangle is divided into three categories. Triangle is divided into three categories. First is equilateral triangle. First one is equilateral triangle. First one is equilateral triangle, which equil first one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, which triangle all sides are equal, all sides are equal, that is called equilateral triangle. If we will talk about its angle, then this is called, its angle will be equal, all angle will be equal within 60 degree, with its all angle will be 60 degree. So this is called equilateral triangle. And I know this is vertex, this is side, and there are three sides and three vertex, one a triangle. And I say that with one triangle, equilateral triangle means which triangle has all sides equal and with the equal length angles, with equal angles, and every angle should be 60 degree. This triangle will be called equilateral triangle. So next is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, which isosceles triangle is, suppose, which two side is equal, which two side is equal, that is called isosceles triangle. Suppose it will be also in the form this one and this one will be equal, so this will also called in the form it can be like this, but there is condition two sides should be equal, two side only should be equal, that is called isosceles triangle, and both angles should be, this angle and this angle should be equal, both angles should be equal, and two side is equal, that is called isosceles triangle. Next is scalene scalene triangle, scalene triangle which has no limited side should be equal, that is called scalene triangle, which no any side is equal, that is scalene triangle. So in this figure you can naming like this: a b c p q r m n o, this one is also t p w. These types of naming you can write. So I studied about its property and rules on the basis of side. Next one is I will study about based on angle, because I want to reply, I want to say again, it's a equilateral triangle means which angle has every side equal, that is called equilateral triangle, and one condition is each and every angle should be 60 degree, that is called equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle which two sides are equal and both angles should be equal. So this is called isosceles triangle which has no any side is equal, that is called scalene triangle, and there is no limitation of angle should be equal. So this is called a scalene triangle. Next one is next one on the base on angle. Angle one is quart angle, angle triangle which every every angle is less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree, that is called a quart angle. On the basis of angle I said which every angle is less than 90 degree is called a quart angle. And next second is obtuse, obtuse angle, obtuse obtuse angle triangle which one angle is more than 90 degree is called obtuse, PRS is called obtuse angle, which one angle is more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Third one is right right angle triangle, right angle triangle which suppose third is third one is right angle triangle, right angle triangle, which one angle is 90 degree. This is called RS, and this is called right angle triangle. There is condition one angle should be 90 degree. So this will called right angle triangle. Will Now there are some things in the related of circle. So suppose sometimes we see that one line is coming down with a vertex and divided this base into two equal sides and being a perpendicular. So if one line is divided one base with equal part, so this is called median. This is called median, and equal part, it is also in the this form if types of angle, but there is condition this base should be divided in equal part, so this is called median, and there are three median can be drawn. This is also a median like this. So this is median, and next one is also which is perpendicular on a base on a side. So what we'll call this, this is not equal length, this is not equal length, but it is also divided this line, and there is a perpendicular, it's a 90 degree, it is a 90, it is called altitude. So sometimes this is also happening, you would have seen this angle like this triangle, each angle is divided like this, but it has been divided in equal part. This base, base is divided by this line segment in equal part, so this is called median. This is called median, and this which is coming down with a perpendicular, this is perpendicular, its 90 angle is being, so this is called altitude. This is called altitude. So I hope you understood about different between median and altitude. So what is altitude and median? So next, exterior angle and interior angle. I will discuss something in triangle. In a triangle, suppose I have this type of triangle and it is given angle 2, angle 1, and I have to find out this angle, exterior angle. This is exterior angle, exterior angle, exterior angle. So how will I find out? So if I need to find out this angle, then I know that sum of two angle which is opposite of this angle, opposite of this angle, opposite of this angle is equal to interior angle, opposite of exterior angle equal to interior angle. So if I add angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle x, so if I add sum of interior angle, opposite side of interior angle, then its value is coming out. So in this figure, you have seen that this types of question is always asked, find out its value. Then I need to add this value and this value. Suppose I have given this value 120 and this is 60 degree. Suppose this is 70 degree, then what will value of this one? So I know exterior angle equal to sum of opposite side interior angle. Opposite side interior angle. Then x plus 70 degree equal to 120. Then it is opposite side. Then I know that 120 minus 70 degree, then it will be 50 degree. X is equal to 50 degree, and it means it is 50 degree. If I add this one, then its value will come out. So this is mean of exterior angle and interior angle. Next one is in a right angle triangle. I already told these types of question is always asked to find out its value. Suppose this value is given, then find its value x. What's the value of this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, this is, suppose this one is 50, this one is 70 degree. In the figure saying that find out in this figure, saying that find the value of its angle, then I know opposite angle is always be equal. If this is 50, then it will be also 50 degree angle. If it will say that find out its value y z, then if I know this is 50, then at a linear pair, we know from the linear pair one angle is being 180. If this is 50 degree, then its value will be 130. So from the linear pair and opposite side is 130, then it will be also 130. By these types of question, and can be solved if you know related of angles. So there is a necessary to know about angles, then you can find out this value. So in a right angle triangle, I told which one angle is 90 degree, which one angle is 90 degree, it's called right angle triangle. And in this, what is happening, this is called base, and this one is height, and this is hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse. So if I know Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras formula is h b, and suppose this is a, then it will call a b, this one is b, and this one is c. From the Pythagoras theorem, b equal to b equal to a square plus c square. If I have to say that find out the value of this angle, then how I will find out? Then I know base equal to sorry hypotenuse, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. This is formula of Pythagoras theorem. So you have to keep remember about these things. So if you are noticing these things, then you will get more benefit and you will understand related of circle, related of triangles. So in these videos you will see that, and we studied related of triangles, which all triangles will study. So I hope that you like this video so much.